Hey guys, let me share with you the vegetable soup recipe that made my mom put a ring on my finger. So I started by prepping my major ingredients and steaming my proteins. Thereafter, I removed my fish because I don't want it to be scattered. So I went ahead to stir my remaining proteins and then added more water and allowed it to cook for some few minutes. All my ingredients are now ready. So on a fresh pot, I'm going to pour in my oil, make that heat for some few seconds, and then go in with my onions. Giving that a quick stir, I'll add my pepper mix, stir and allow to cook for few seconds so the water can dry out. So the water has completely dried out. I'm going to stir that for a bit. Going in with my seasoning cube, my proteins and my meat stock. Stirring that together and then adding my crayfish. I covered it and allow my sauce to cook well with my proteins. The taste of your sauce will determine the outcome of your vegetable soup. See, if your sauce is not well prepped, trust me, the outcome will not be nice. Then I added my salt and then go in with my vegetable. My vegetable is a combination of ugu leaf and green leaf. For those of you that don't know ugu leaf, it's actually called pumpkin leaf. I stirred them together so all the ingredients can fully combine, and then went ahead to put in my fish. My fish is actually the last ingredient. Like I said, I don't want it to be scattered, so I covered that to cook for just 5 seconds, and Tara, my food is ready. Guys, this soup is everything. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video.